Yo, what's going on? All my homies, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and I got some prime stuff. So I'm going to check it out with you guys, and I have a feeling. I think this is a fragrance. So um, so yeah, figure I share the experience. All right, so here we go. Just packaged pretty nicely. Just some extra paper. And yes, it is a fragrance. This is the Fragrance World's, I think it's called L'Homme Supreme or something like that. But it's supposed to be, I'm just cutting this open. It's supposed to be a clone of Guerlain's Ideal. God dang. This is actually packaged a little bit better than I thought it was. Look like I might need some light. So let me get this open first. So L'Homme Ideal Supreme, I think, is what it is. So here it is. All right. So wait a minute. Let me pause for a minute. I'm gonna get some light because I'm looking. I feel like it's a little dark. We'll pause. Okay. So I think that's a little bit better. I feel like I can see a little bit better. All right. So here's the package. I didn't mean to put the knife all in your face, but there it is. Top, nothing on the side, nothing on the side. Bottom has normal stuff, and the back has normal stuff. The little fragrance swirl look like a turtle. So let's get this cracked open and see what it's like. I haven't really smelled the Guerlain's Supremacy, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to smell like. But I do have Guerlain's EDP, and I like that. So here we go. It's a nice little bottle. This bottle is pretty fancy. It's a nice solid bottle. Well, nice constructed. Nice solid top too. Okay, all right. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I'm digging the smell. I kind of like the smell, but it kind of has that has something on it. It kind of has a vibe of alcohol with that first little spray. Let's see. We can see how it is after it get a spray on here. Okay. It's a little sweet. Kind of has that almond vibe to it. But something else is sweeter in this. It doesn't smell like the EDP from L'Homme. I'm not sure if it smells like the Supremacy from. I think it's L'Homme Supremacy. So it's pretty cool. It smells like it would be like a fall, maybe winter kind of fragrance. Maybe even spring. I'm gonna go ahead and go on skin with it. Trying to just do this real quick. I don't want to hold you guys too long. Ooh. That's very alcoholic. Ooh, not sure if I like that. Oh, okay, it's gone. Okay, now it smells off the skin. It smells a little bit different. This smells more like cardamom, warm, nutty, cozy kind of vibe. Date night. It probably could be good for into the office, maybe something more, a little bit more formal. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Huh? Pretty cool. I'd like it. I like it. I have to get some. Um, have to run around with it a little bit, get a little bit of wearing what out of it to get a fair assessment. But for right now, yeah, it smells good. It is okay. It's nothing mind blowing. It's nothing that you need to rush out and get. I saw it. It was on sale. I think it was like between $20 and $25. But yeah, it's a pretty nice bottle, and that's it. This is Supreme L'Homme by Fragrance World. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Let you look at the top there too. Pretty nice. And then nothing's on the back, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, on the bottom it has the little sticker there. But yeah, all right. It's a little egg. It's a little unfinished on this top here, but nothing major. All right, so there's a snapping. It doesn't snap into place, but it's snug, pretty snug. So you can't pick it up from the top. I don't know if I would trust picking it up from the top, but you can because it is snug. See. All right, so that's it. I just saw the box. I figured I'd share with you guys. Quick little video. I didn't want to do an intro or too many cuts, but yeah, pretty good. If you see it on at Amazon Prime days are coming up soon. I think it's October the 8th or 9th or something like that. Maybe pick it up. It's not a bad scent. It's something that you can add to your arsenal if you don't have a whole bunch of other fragrances. For me, it's just okay for right now. So I gotta use it a couple more times and try it out and see how it works for me a little bit later. But as it settles down, it's getting a little bit better. It's getting a little bit creamier. Yeah. So I probably maybe I'll wear it one day this week. It's supposed to be a little bit cooler, and this would be a good weather for this type of fragrance. All right. It's been your boy Will, the Will Report. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you are doing a opening of this fragrance with me right now. Until next time, deuces.